Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. I know kusa-early kakhulu kwisizini yabo. Kukhona ama-team angakawadlala ama-games amaningi kunamanye but-ke looking to le league le. Looking at the table at the moment, you see Mamelodi Sundowns being number 1, you see Kaizer Chiefs being number 2, and you see your Orlando Pirates being number 3, and your Amazulu and Sekhukhune being number 4 and number 5. You see how close these teams they are following each other. Yabo indlela balandelana ngakhona, indlela yabo kuseduzane uyayibona eDurban City nayo. Lento le iyakutshela ngempela ukuthi i-league at the moment iyashisa ngempela. Kuzoba lula for ama-team anjengo Kaizer Chiefs, ama-team anjengo Orlando Pirates bakwazi ukuchallenge le team ephezulu okuyiMamelodi Sundowns. Yabo uma sine-team enjenge Kaizer Chiefs edlala kahle, sine-team enjengamazulu, sine-team enjengeSekhukhune, sine-team enjenge Durban City edlala kahle, lokho kuyawalimitha ama-chances ukuthi i-team ephezulu okuyiMamelodi Sundowns uthi iwine i-league. Yabo ngaphambilini sasinokuthola nje ukuthi iSundowns iyayidalela ishaya kwasani left and right but-ke uma sebezotholana nalamanye ama-team lawo, lamanye ama-team right now asiyabona ukuthi no man akumele siyisabi iSundowns, nathi sizokwazi ukuthi siyishaye i-team enjengeSundowns. Yebo I know iSundowns sasana kushaya nje iSekhukhune United but bashaye nje iSekhukhune United kanzima. So we need teams like Kaizer Chiefs performing really well, and I think it's time right now sihlala phansi simention ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs nayo ikhona kwi-conversation yokuthi iyithathe i-league. Yabo yes ngangabonakala kanjalo right now ibhola balidlalayo but-ke each and every game they play, yabo, they tend not to lose that game. It's either they draw or they get a win. And lokho ngempela kuhle kakhulu for a team like Kaizer Chiefs because ibabeka esikhaleni esiright sokuthi ba-challenge. Yabo so mase sekusele ama-games awu-5 uzobe usubona ukuthi now man i-serious ngempela lento ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Mina right now ngiyayibona but-ke i-Orlando Pirates isanawo ama-games amabili esazowadlala, isanayo igame ezoyidlala ne-Kaizer Chiefs, isanayo igame ezoyidlala ne-Mamelodi Sundowns. So lawo ma-games Orlando Pirates kumele yenze sure ukuthi uma i-serious ngokusithatha isicoco se-Betway Premiership kumele bawashayele ama-team awu-2. Yes ngeke bawine i-Betway Premiership ngokushaya i-Sundowns ne-Kaizer Chiefs. They have to beat your Amazulu, they have to beat your Durban City, they have to beat your TS Galaxy, they have to beat your Golden Arrows, your Stellies, your Orbit College. They have to beat all these teams in order to win the Betway Premiership. But the main challenge is to beat the big guys. Once you beat the big guys, kuzoba lula for you ukuthi ushayele amanye ama-team. I think ama-team kumele ayeke lento yoku-underratana right now. Yabona kule Betway Premiership leya kule season angathi ku-serious ngempela. Yabo engathi ku-serious ngempela bangikhumbuza le league esasiyikhumbula le wakhona khona oBidvest, wakhona khona oCeltic, wakhona khona oPlatinum Stars. Yabo ama-team ayi-serious ngempela, o-Free State Stars, oSwallows, usakhona o-Ajax, oSuperSport United. Wazi kahle ukuthi okay nje akuzoqala nje isizini ayikho i-team ezodlala umsangano, wonke ama-team afuna ukuba serious. Yabo it's either abanye baba serious kwi-league, it's either abanye baba serious kuma-cup competition. Each and every team yayiperforma amnandi lapho. Manje sekhona ama-team anjengo-Orbit College, ama-team anjengo-Magesi, not throwing any shade into those teams but laba team lawo awayimisela awadlalisa kwama-team afuna ukuchallenga for big things. Ama-team anjengo-Chippa United ashintsha ucoach each and every season abehlisa i-level yebhola la eSouth Africa. Kumele enze kahle lama-team, kumele asinikeze i-product esiyidinga ukuyibona. Yabo abantu bangabukeli ibhola la kwi-Betway Premiership mase bebona iChippa idlala neMagesi but what is the standard of football le-South Africa? No, kumele babuke ibhola elimnandi mebebuka iChippa neMagesi. Yabo so imnandi ngempela bafethu i-Betway Premiership so far. Ngiyibonile igame ye-Kaizer Chiefs izolo, nayo iwinile i-Kaizer Chiefs, iwine kunzima nje ade idlala against iMarumo Gallants. Ngilibonile igoli lakho lilebo igoli lela kodwa-ke ngathi bezama ucross umjida lapha kwaseke kuba igoli. I don't think ubeqondile but-ke it's a good goal nonetheless.